my friends. I have some very good friends. I ride the bus with my friends, Tony and Brian. They live on my street at school. Tony, Brian, and I play with Lisa and Emma on the playground. We all eat lunch together too. I also have friends from my soccer team named Hunter and Jake. Sometimes I get to see my cousins, Abby and Kevin. They are my friends too. I like all of my friends. Which friends ride the bus? Tony and Brian. Which friends play soccer? Jake. Who are the consent? Then we eat lunch together. Me